Hello, Naristerals! Welcome to my channel. I'm all smiles. I'm happy. I'm so happy. You might not know why I'm happy, but something arrived yesterday, and I couldn't wait for morning to do. I wanted to even shoot the video yesterday evening, but I was like, let me just manage. Delivery sealed. Oh my goodness. So I really wanted to open it yesterday. I nearly did not. I was like, no, I can't be unfaithful. I have to be a loyal person. So I have to wait. The moment morning will not like this. Sharp. Don't arrange. See, I'm going to unbox. Guess what, guys? Our microphone is here. Our microphone is here. Let me start opening it. See? Our microphone is here. Let's see. Wow! I ordered with a mini tripod. See, it's just a part. See? I'm sure this should be the stand for the tripod. See, there's a very tiny tripod, just a mini tripod. See? And the main I was waiting for. Oh my god, my microphone. Let me unbox. I'm so happy. I don't know if you know what this means, but me, I know. This means a better audio for us. See, it came in a fine bag. Oh boy, oh my goodness. I've been anticipating this delivery like forever. Oh my. Oh goodness. I think this has an extra windbreak, extra battery, extra plug. I don't know what this is called. Extra clip. Okay, not extra clip. Oh, see this tiny tripod. Isn't this adorable? Like just a tiny tripod. I can put it in my little handbag and go wheresoever I want to fit. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Like I've been anticipating this for long. See, everything works. I can't wait to go and drop my review. I put my photo. And now to the Sarasabia. Okay, so I think this is where I will talk to. This is where I can decide to add my what do they call it? Windbreak. See, which make it look like a microphone, a mini microphone. Okay, let me remove it first and see. As I said, I will figure out this because I don't even know what this is for now. Let me add the clip now. Figure it out. I don't want to lose the rope too long. I want a little bit of space. Okay, from what I'm seeing here, this switch. There's where you can switch it if it's camera. There's where you can switch it to smartphone. This is actually part of why I ordered this particular microphone. So I made sure I watched a lot of YouTube video and saw reviews. So I selected this as the best for me, that is most suitable for my current situation. It's very long. I already expected this. I've already seen in the videos, and I already know what I was expecting. I was only waiting for it to come live. If not, I've already seen it. So I don't want to lose all. I'm going to still clip some. I just left a little out. I don't know if it's unusual of me to be this happy, but I'm happy. I'm happy. See the clip I'm trying to clip on? I'll clip onto it to make use of other things subsequently. Even the clip now said, am I sure of how to connect it? Oh. When you see the way I'm checking it, I'm a bush girl, I know. I'm a bush girl, I know, but I know I'll figure it out. Let me just leave the clip for now. And let me talk directly to my microphone. So this is a video of me without my Boya microphone that I just got, my very first microphone. Aside the microphone I've been using, microphone of my phone, I've been microphone in my phone. So this is my first external microphone. I can't wait to try it. I hope it works perfectly so I can write my very good long review. I love writing. So I have a lot of writing to write for them if this works, but I'm not even doubting. I know it will work. So just stay tuned. I'm trying to connect this. Okay, so it's now connected to the microphone. This is me talking on a microphone. Sorry, I didn't even on it. Okay, is there battery? He said no battery yet. Can you imagine? And I was expecting magic. Sorry, just hold on. Oh goodness. See, my battery is not even extra. It's the one that came with it. Oh, bush girl. Bush life is not good. So I'm about to put in my battery. Please, thank God I know the direction to put the battery. Please. Any difference? Because I can't see no light. Okay, I guess it's working because as I just switch it on and off, I noticed the phone stopped recording, and then on it again, it started recording. Okay guys, you be the judge. I've tried numerous things. I don't know. I can't seem to hear the difference in my sound. And also I was able to find this. This is another windbreak. Aside from this one that I showed you earlier, this is another windbreak. So it came with two windbreak. And then I was able to figure it out. So I placed it here, and then I'll be able to clip it on my clothes. So just like this. So this I was able to figure out is a connector to the camera. I'll eventually use it when I get my camera. Just as this port, just like this. So I can just attach it here whenever I have a camera, so that it will not be one port. I tried checking if there's a manual because I love reading. I didn't see no manual, so I only saw this. This is left like a sticker. Nothing else, just this. Okay, I guess some things are on the body. So guys, I just discovered that before I can make use of the Boya mic, that I have to download a different app entirely. I don't know if I should be happy or I should be sad, because to me I don't feel this current app I'm using, I think the quality is as good as my inbuilt camera. But for the sake of my audio, this is the only camera I can use. So this is me talking without the audio, the mic connected. I'm not really too happy, but is the video quality okay? I'm sure this mic is based on a camera. I never got this information before buying the camera. I thought it was just normal, you can use your phone and anyhow. It didn't specify that it doesn't work with the inbuilt camera. I don't know if I should be happy. Is the quality of the video okay? So this is me talking without the mic on. Now I'm going to place the mic here. So this is me properly fixing it now to the phone. So I've changed the audio. I'm now using the Boya mic how is my audio, how is my video, how is the current image, the quality compared to before. Do you like before's quality more than this present one? Do you prefer this audio to the previous audio? Don't know which one, but I'm happy though. At least I've gotten something more. Thank you so much for staying through Norris Terrace. That'll be all for this video. Please don't forget to like this video. Leave your comment down on the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, like, I don't know what you're waiting for. Like, join the family. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you see notifications whenever I upload video. Thanks for staying through Norris Terrace. Until some other time, for now. Bye.